Hello, my name is Priyanshu Singh and my roll number is 21MF3IM11. So today I am going to show you my DIY assignment number 3. The objective of this assignment is to disassemble and reassemble any home appliances and explain its working principle. So today I am going to disassemble this Mosquito racket and again reassemble it and explain its working principle. So you can see it. So I am going to explain its external function and its working principle. So you can see this is the switch on and switch off button, which you can see. So when I push it down it is switch off, and when I push it up it is switch on. So now it is in switch on position, and whenever I push this red button you can see a red LED is glowing, which indicates that a current is being supplied to this metallic network. So when we push this button, a current is being supplied to this metallic network, and whenever a mosquito or some insect comes in contact with this metallic surface, it experiences an electric shock, and which results in the death of that particular insect or mosquito. So basically this is very useful appliances in our day-to-day life. So with the help of this screw I am going to disassemble it, and so let's disassemble it. So I am opening it with the help of this screw. So let me open it. So I am unscrewing it. So basically there are 5 screws which I have to unscrew. So it is unscrewed, and let me keep it aside. So again unscrewing the second screw. So it is also unscrewed. Let me remove it and keep it aside. So again this is the third screw which I am going to unscrew. It is very so it was very blunt, so it required more time other than this 2 screw. So I'm going to remove this and keep it aside, and then I am going to remove this 4th screw. Let me remove it. It's not yet removed. Let me unscrew it more. Let me, so it is removed and I will keep it aside. Let me remove last screw. It is very hard task to remove these screws. So whether it is removed or not, so it is removed. So basically we are having 5 different screws which you can see in the video. So let me keep it aside and keep it safe, which will help me to reassemble it again. So you can see the internal portion of this racket. So let me remove this one screw which is in this circuit. So it is pretty hard, but we have to remove it. So let's have patience and remove it. So this is a 6th screw. So you can see that it is in working condition. So it is in switched on position, and whenever I push this button, this red button, which you can see, this red button, so I am going to push this, and simultaneously you can see that a spark is generated. So whenever an insect comes in contact with this metallic surface while pushing this button, so electric shock is experienced by that insect. So you can see that a red LED is glowing inside whenever I am pushing this button. So let me show you the working principle of this and inside of this circuit. So you can see that this is the battery which is charged by this. So whenever I remove this socket, so you can see that through this the battery gets charged. Whenever I put it in socket, so it gets charged. So here electrical energy is stored, which is later used for killing the mosquitoes and other insects. So you can see here the circuit board. So let me switch it off because we may get electric shock. So you can see that this is switch on and switch off button, and whenever I push this button, electric shock is generated in this metallic surface. Okay, so you can see that here this black one is transformer which transforms the AC voltage to DC voltage and reduces the voltage as the current here should in the metallic surface should be minimum, so that we as a human beings do not experience any great electric shock and it couldn't be harmful for us. So basic principle of this transformer is to reduce the current and convert the AC voltage to DC voltage. So it is in switched off position. You can see various resistors here. So this is the resistor, this is the resistor. Let me zoom it in. So I hope it is visible. So you can see resistors, various resistors, and the resistance of these resistors could be determined by its color code. These black appliances are diodes, and these red appliances are capacitor. So the working principle is pretty simple, that whenever we charge it, the black battery stores the electrical energy, and whenever we want to use the appliance, we turn it on via this switch, and the electrical energy is transported to this electric board, and this transformer converts the AC voltage to DC voltage and reduces the voltage, so we do not experience any great electric shock. And this capacitor is used in the circuit and basic resistance. So this is the basic electrical circuit and nothing great in it. So I am going to reassemble it again. So I am going to put this screw here which I removed. So let me screw it fastly. This is very difficult task. Let me put this red button which is used to transport current to this source metallic network. So here I have put this button, so you can see this. Now I am going to so I have screwed all the screws. Basically I have screwed all screwed, And I forgot to mention about this socket. So it is used for charging purpose and store the electrical energy in the black battery which I showed you earlier. So let me see if it is in working principle or not. So let me switch it on and push this red button. You can see red LED is glowing. So now I'm going to show this. This is in working condition. You can see sparkle generated, which shows that it is in working principle. So you can see. So this was my assignment. So thank you for watching my video and I hope you liked it. Bye bye.